Hello everyone. Anyways, Dogger's in the room. Dogger's in the room and he's having a field day with me. Imper. Basket. No, not him. Oh man. Anyways, we are back. And hopefully we have videos up and running. I will not be doing a daily video for the time being. But you guys can't see another thing. But let's see. Last video was February 20th. No, February 14th. Valentine's Day. Yeah, right. And okay. And at the time, well, since then, I got another job. So, been focusing on that, not recording. If you guys remember back in December, I stopped uploading. That taking forever. But March was all that. The first week of April was getting had family coming up for Mario service. And then, pretty much like 2 weeks ago, I had to drive all the way down to Florida. So yeah. And came back and I still record and been pushing it off. But one of the reasons is the reason you don't see my webcam, but that is off, is behind my chair is a pile of stuff. My sisters are back up here. And they're using the room to store stuff. Then, what I kind of want to do is set up videos for certain days. I don't know. Inventories. Yeah. But yeah. So I do want to try and get back recording and whatnot. Didn't take a while. Didn't take a while to set everything up. It might just be I post the video on a certain day. Days, depending. But other than that, there isn't much else. Like the last couple of months been one thing after another. Actually, last week of March I was really hectic, stressful. I knew it was stressful because for like 2 days in a row I bought iTunes gift cards. But I don't ever do. But I got into work and it's like just anything to not think about what's going on. So I got iTunes gift cards. I didn't hear my breathing. No, that was an issue when I first got the mic. It was an issue when I first started on the Discord. You could hear my breathing. So I don't know if you just hear my dog tail running on my suitcase. I love you, Mitchell. I will take care of you shortly. I will take care of you shortly. But yeah, that was the full extent of the last 2 months or so. I think going on 3 now. I like being back at work. Another reason why I probably won't be uploading daily. I get 1 day off. It's probably gonna be spent recording. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know when this video. Or no, there's gonna be Saturday 12. So I might put videos up then. Start out and then as we continue onwards, I get more days. Better flip off the dog. It's bad, but I think he cares. Face it. But yeah, it would be some probably one weekly video for now. And then I will slowly move back up. My dog is really going at it. Midterm, can you hold off 1 second? Yes, I know. 1 second. You guys can see me. But no, Mitchell. No. Alright. Where was I? We have 1 video a week. Probably. Yes. I slowly have certain days for certain videos. Then brought in a notebook. Because I've noticed that when I'm at the register, I get weird thoughts. The latest one has been trying to decide if certain produce items, like vegetables, were VeggieTales. It's hilarious. And so far, I said that the bell peppers never made an appearance. I didn't eat zucchini. So yeah, it was fun. That's always fun. Then I try and figure that one out. I have it written down as random thoughts of a test. It makes sense. And then this. They were asking. Someone was. And they were asking. Change gender. Wait, technically you cannot. They were in yes and no. Yes and no. Can't add something back. And there was had one customer might ask if I was new. Like, kind of. Not really. Came back. Because I was doing what I was told. And from you don't have to do it anymore, but it would take too much work. My dog is getting annoying. Really wants to go. And I'm going to take care of him. But yeah. Friends, is there anything else for this wolf vlog? I don't think so. So that would be it for this video. I will see. And for this video, I will see you guys in the next one.